on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to be making kidney bean salad. And I had this at a social or something, and it was so good. Anyway, spring is in the air, so we're making salads and fresher stuff. So here we go. Okay, so what I've got some kidney beans here. I'm going to empty the can and rinse those. Okay, that should be good. And then what we're going to do is I've got 5 hard-boiled eggs here. I'm going to cut those up. I don't have my little, tomato slicer here, so I'm going to have to just do it the old-fashioned way here. I love my tomato slicer. It's so quick. So cut these up. This is actually kind of like an egg salad with kidney beans in it, believe it or not. I hard-boiled these for about 11 minutes. What I do is I take the, could have maybe used 12. They're a little tiny bit softer than I would have liked them. But the eggs just aren't, the large eggs just aren't large anymore. They're more like medium, but of course they're having all that trouble with the eggs. So, all right, I got those pretty much cut up. Then we're going to, I guess I'll let these drain for a few more seconds. I'm going to cut up just a piece of sweet onion, not a lot. And I'm going to cut it fine because you don't want to really have a big chunk of onion in a salad. You want just the flavor. You don't really want the chunk. This is so easy to make, and it's so good. It really is good. Okay. That should do it. So I'd say that's probably 1/3 cup of onion. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 stalk of celery, and I'm going to cut that up fine too. Make sure there's no bad spots on it. This is something a little different, you know? You don't normally see kidney bean salad. I don't know if this was an old-fashioned salad or not, but I had it one time. I can't remember where, and I've been making it ever since. It's just something kind of unique and different and tastes really good. Okay, so that's 1 stalk of celery. And then I'm going to add my kidney beans. If I can get my onion out of there that I threw in there. Okay, got that all in. Now, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And I'm going to add probably a 1/2 cup of Miracle Whip and a 1/2 cup of Hellman's. going to add just a little bit of sweet relish. Maybe a tablespoon. And I'm going to mix that all up. I know this sounds unusual, but I'm telling you, people will go for it. It's really good. And it's kind of a unique looking salad. Look at that. And then, of course, I'd make it at least a couple hours before. Then, of course, you want to put it in your pretty little bowl. And I think the kidney beans kind of make it like it's the starch, kind of like if you did an egg salad sandwich. But look at this beautiful little kidney bean salad. Isn't that neat and unusual? So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my little video. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it, and love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.